The 3-click crab is 3 fingers. You're starting with the finger that's closest to the pinky, which is the ring finger, and then you go from ring to middle to pointer. First, practice this, just like on a table. So once you got that, then it's all about that thumb tension, not too much and not too little. You want to have that sweet spot, and then you're gonna roll the fingers off. And as you do that, the thumb is just naturally gonna bounce the fader back. People think it's all about the fingers, but it's really all about that thumb tension. It also helps to spread out your fingers. I'm doing this, but still it's in that C claw, and it's like a 45-degree angle. Once you have it down on the fader, then you can start getting that coordination with the records. So here's an example on the left deck.